Assalamu alaikum. Hi friends, how is everyone doing today? Today we are going to be making Bhajii masala powder. I already gave you the recipe for the pav a couple of weeks ago, so I'm going to put the link in the description box so you can go ahead and check that. Then in the near future I'm going to give you bhajii. Okay, let's go see all the ingredients what we need to make this pav bhaji masala powder. Okay, I have 3 teaspoons of dhania, coriander seeds. I have 2 spoons of fennel seeds, saunf. I have 2 teaspoons of zira, cumin seeds, and I have 2 teaspoons of fenugreek leaves, dry fenugreek leaves, kasuri methi. And then I have Kashmiri red pepper. I have like a 5 or 6, I have probably 6 of them, so just for the color. And over here we have some more dry spices. I have 2 big black cardamoms. I have a little piece of nutmeg. I have 2 star anise. I have 1 teaspoonful of black pepper and 2 bay leaves and some cloves long. Like I have like a 12 of long. So okay, if you want more you can add more, but that's gonna be enough for this dish. Okay, let's go roast all these dry spices, and when we are grinding we are gonna add some more other spices in there. Okay friends, we're gonna be dry roasting all these spices. Dhania, coriander seeds 3 teaspoons, and saunf, fennel seeds 2 teaspoons, and zira, cumin seeds 2 teaspoons. We are going to roast all this first. All these 3 spices. Put it on a very low flame. Do it slowly, otherwise it's going to burn. It's not going to make crispy. You have to have a little bit crispier when you are grinding it. The purpose is actually frying them is to remove all the, if you have any moisture in there. Just to see if there's no moisture. Now we can add this other spices in there. Smells good. All the dry spices. Okay friends, all of our spices is done. We do not want to make it really brown. Just we need to get some nice fragrance and remove all the moisture from the seeds. Okay, so then I'm gonna go ahead and remove this from the flame and add the pepper. Okay, we're gonna fry this pepper for dry roast for a little while until it gets a little bit crispier. Then we're gonna remove it. Everything I'm doing it on very low flame. Okay. Okay, our red pepper is done. So it's crispy. So we're going to remove this. I'm going to turn the stove off. When the stove is off, still the pan is hot. So I'm going to add these fenugreek leaves. Otherwise, if you have the stove on, they'll burn fast. I'm roasting these fenugreek seeds for 2 seconds. This is hot. The stove is off. My stove is off. In a hot pan, I just added this. Okay. Well, that's it. This is all we roasted. Now we're gonna go ahead and grind everything. Okay friends, we roasted all these dry spices and they are cold now. We can grind them. Look how they're gonna be supposed to be crispy like this, you know. See that? The leaves is so crispy. And this black cardamom, I'm gonna take the seeds out of it. If you want, you can leave the skin, but I don't like it, so I'm gonna remove it. See, just remove the seeds. I'm going to discard the skin. Okay, that's the seeds. And okay, I'm going to remove this dental for the pepper. The pepper is also crispy. Okay, I did not break them before I roast them, because it's going to be, all the seeds will come out, the seeds will burn in there. Okay, so this is crispy, so we're just going to break this. So we're going to grind all these things together. Okay, okay, I have a small coffee grinder over here. I'm going to put all the spices in here, and we're going to grind this. Now I'm going to add all the pepper in there. Oops. Another bit pepper. Okay, so we're going to grind all this together. Okay friends, now we are going to add dry spices. I have 2 teaspoons of dry mango powder, 1 spoon of black salt, 2 spoons of dry ginger powder, half a spoon of citric acid, 1 spoon of salt, and 3 spoons of Kashmiri red pepper. We're going to put all this in there and grind it and mix it. Okay friends, our Pav Bhaji masala powder is ready. Do this, and we'll put it in the container over here. Fresh Pav Bhaji masala powder is ready. Wow, it smells so good. The whole house smelling good with this fragrance. Very nice. Okay, our fresh Pav Bhaji masala is ready. It's really good. It smells so good. My whole house smelling good. Okay, try it. If you like the recipe, please click like and share and subscribe. Okay, see you next video. Bye.